Good morning, everybody. We're going to make some tasty blackberry muffins, and this has been in the recipe box for a very long time and it's very good. So let's get started, and everything will be in the description box below. And if you're not a subscriber, please go over and hit that bell. I'd love to have you. You get all my recent videos that come out. And all that follow me, I like to say thank you. Please share my videos. I'm working to 5,000, and when I hit 5,000, I'll be doing a great giveaway. So let's get started. I'm going to pan the camera down so you can see more of what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. We have 1 stick of butter. Everything will be in the description box below. We want to take the butter and the sugar, just like that, and we want to mix it together. Just like that. So it's just nice and creamy. And then once we do that, we want to take eggs. And one at a time, and then we want to mix them in. Oops, these look like they're a little frozen. Don't know what happened. Maybe my refrigerator's too cold. I guess we'll have to check that out. And we have another egg going in. So that's mixed in really nice. Okay, once we do that, you want to do the eggs one at a time. Then you want to combine the flour, which is right here. I'm going to do a little bit of flour and a little bit of milk. That way it's easier to mix. A little bit of flour and a little bit of milk. Just like that. Then what you want to do, you want to put baking soda and salt, and I use pink Himalayan salt, just like that. You just want to mix that in. Just want to get this off my mixer here. Get the dough off. Just like that. And I'm going to get all the mixture off the mixers, and then I'll bring it. I have all the mixture off the batter, and this is a beautiful batter. And now I'm going to put my blackberries in. And my blackberries are right here. They've been all washed. And if there was any stems on them, I took them out. Hopefully I didn't miss any, but hey, sometimes it just happens. And you just want to mix that in. Just like that. You just want to have all those blackberries in there. Going to be filled with blackberries, I know that. Just a few more. I got a busy morning here. I don't know about you all. Leave in the comments down below what you're doing this morning. I'm doing this, and I'm making applesauce. So my hands are busy. I don't have the luxury of having anybody help me. All my grandkids are either grown or in school, and I've got a 3-year-old from Mexico that's here, but she doesn't live near me. She lives about an hour away, so I'm solo. So we got that all mixed up. And I've got my muffin tin here, and you can use paper cups, or you can spray the tin, whatever you want to do. Then you just want to take it and put it right in the tin. Whoops. That one's going sideways. Well, with MAINEiac Grammy, I guess you never know which way you're going. Ray will be taking this for his lunch, some in his lunch tomorrow. I will be gifting some. And blackberry really isn't, I like them, but not so much. I'm not a person that likes anything with fruit that has seed in it. But I do like strawberries though. The raspberry and blackberry, not so much. Not so much. This is gonna make a good 12. It probably could make a dozen and a half, but I'm being very generous with my portions. I only make this when blackberries come out. And that's the only time my grandmother made it too. But she was a big Jell-O poke cake person. She made a lot of those. Just like that. And I just have a little bit more batter, so I'm just gonna put a little here and there, and maybe some will be a little bigger than others, but that's okay. Somebody will just enjoy a bigger muffin. Just like that. It's a nice warm day today. It's in the 70s. I was thinking about going in the pool, but the pool water's too cold, so I won't be doing that. We've been getting down into the 40s at night here, so that's just a little chilly, so that takes a long time for the pool water to heat back up. Okay, there we go, just like that. And now what I did is I reserved 1 tablespoon. And the reserving is to put the sugar on top. A little dab of do ya. I think Florida Greg might like this because it's got sugar. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes, and I'll bring you back and we'll have a little taste, and it will be a small taste for me. Okay folks, I'm back and I'm done. These are the beautiful blueberry muffins. Didn't they come out great? Look at the blueberries in there. They're really, really good. So I'm going to taste test, and here's the one I'm gonna taste. And I've cut it open, put a little butter on it. I took the smallest muffin I could find. And look at that, look at the berries. And it really smells good. So let's try it here. Got a wonderful berry taste. And I'm not real big on blackberries or raspberries, but this is very good. So if you'd like to try these blackberry muffins, it's going to be down below in the description box. Very good. And here they are again. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and everything will be down below in the description box. So have a great day. God bless. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.